It's been a few years since I've been home. Crazy how time passes. 1 minute you're busy working, living in the city, and the next you suddenly feel the quiet pull to go back to where everything feels familiar. Manila has its own rhythm. Fast mornings, late nights, constant movement. And I love what I do. I really do. But sometimes you forget what it feels like to slow down, to breathe a little deeper, to just be. So this time, I decided to come home. Back to the province where the air feels lighter, where mornings are slow and calm, and where life doesn't feel like it's rushing past you. Back to the people who know me outside of work, outside the clinic, outside the city version of me. Here, I'm not just a dentist. I'm a daughter, a friend, someone who still loves the same simple things I grew up with. Home looks the same, but somehow feels even more special now. The food I miss, the quiet streets, the familiar laughter, the little moments I didn't realize I've been craving. So this vlog is just me, taking a break, reconnecting, enjoying the softness of life again even just for a little while. Welcome to my province, welcome to my home.
Oo nga pala, may spa nga pala, di ba?
Na-postpone. Hindi ka magkaka-spa day muna.
Cancelled.
Cancel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my at Camarines Norte. So I'm super excited to be here. I'm gonna be here for the next 3 days, spend some time with my family, my mom, with my brother, with my friends, and of course the newest addition in our house, baby Kento. So I haven't been back here for the past 2 years. The last time that I was here was around 2023 Christmas time, and I haven't been back since then because I was really busy with work. If I ever get the time to leave, I don't usually come back here. My vacations are very limited. So this is one of the reasons why I started my own practice, kasi I want to have the flexibility to be able to come back here anytime that I want, because I miss coming home and I'm just really excited to be home kahit 3 days lang to. So I arrived this morning. I took the bus yesterday. Hindi pa ako masyadong nakapahinga because masyadong matagtag yung bus kagabi. So I was really tired, but I was able to get a little bit of nap naman, and I think that's fine na. I want to maximize my days here, try to go out, maybe go to some coffee shops and try new coffee shops because ang dami ng bagong places here that I wanted to try. Guys, this is the fit pala. Just a simple gray tank top, and then my skirt na medyo luwag na sa akin, and then this cute Birkenstock and a socks. Katingin siya.
Ay, Diyos yan. Aba, binabulukugan mga lola? Nagagalit ka sa lola?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken meron siya.
Butter chicken.
So kung i-try itong pork binagoongan nila. Pork.
Punta kami ngayon sa grocery. Maghahanap ako ng outside for my coffee. Not sure. Pure gold na dito. Dati wala pa ditong pure gold. We're getting civilized. Very tiny pure gold.
Ano itong babae?
Siya ba ito may baby?
Kasya sa kanya.
Ay, di ba kasya sa kanya yan? Ito to.
Mahaba pa.
Ito.
Ay, ang pangit lang polo.
Di bagay kay baby. Ayun, no, saan mama?
Jumper.
I love gator. This is for baby Kento.
Last piece na yan.
Oh, okay.
Kasya kaya yan
Ano
kaya
size
to?
ito?
12 months.
Ang 12 months daw.
Malaki yun, mataba.
Guys, I just woke up again. Antok na antok talaga ako pagkatapos namin kumain ng lunch. We head straight to the grocery and then natulog ako after that because I was so sleepy. Right now, it's currently 6:30. I'm going out with my friends later. I think we're gonna go to a coffee place and, you know, chika lang. Also, I'm super hungry. Pagising ko pala, burn out. Hindi talaga magiging kompleto ang diet trip mo if hindi nagpa-burn out. Ano yan? Hindi marala. Oh my gosh. Lagay mo na kasi parang forest dito. Coco Crunchy. Ano to? KitKat. KitKat cereal. May ice yung akin kasi gusto ko malamig yung gatas. Ang dami naman nilagay dito kapatid ko. Hungry. Ah. Gusto ko yung medyo, yung pinapakita ko sa'yo.
Anong klase?
Yung ganun yung stand. Pero ang gamit nila dun is camcorder. Wait lang, pakita sa'yo.
Nakita mo yung sa Kyocera na sinend ko sa'yo. Maganda yung quality niya. Para talagang 90s yung dating niya.
Kay Sarah.
Vodka tonic.
Parang sandali palyo. Yan, di bigyan.
Yung suka yan ni Ate Marina. Masarap ng 5 pamahal. Lagay mo dun sa...
Later, I'm gonna visit my friend's cafe and then manunod ako sa kanilang mag-pickleball. Other than that, no agenda naman. I think we're gonna watch movie na lang tomorrow kasi brand out daw dito bukas maghapon. Kaya medyo kailangan may ganap. Kasi kundi ang init-init dito. I'm just gonna do my JO today kasi may case ako na kailangang gawa ng JO. Though hindi naman yung rush. Sa November pa actually yun i-install. Pero para masimulan na rin. And then, I'm gonna edit this YouTube video. Hindi tatamalin ako. And then, do a TikTok voiceover. So, yun lang naman yung agenda today.
Memory of your touch.
Nagsasalita ka?
Yeah.
Anong sinasabi mo? Naamoy mo yung inihaw, no?
Naamoy.
Amoy?
Naamoy nito.
Nasaan sila? Yeah. Wow!
May nakapikaka ako dito.
Kaya gusto ni Baby na amoy niya yung inihaw. Nang sabihin mo kanino niluluto mo. Tinola po. Wala po pa. Umulan ngayon, sobrang init naman.
Kaya ba magkakaroon ng influence?
Yeah. Anong laing gusto mo? Laing lang?
Ano ba?
Anong laing? Nakabili na ako ng ticket for tomorrow. Nakuha ko bus ticket is 7 p.m. Then, papunta na kami ngayon ng Kyle Depot? Kyle Depot. Nakatapat lang. Literal nakatapat lang ng legs. Yeah, it's 7. There. Maghahanap ng tile si architect. Kaya ayaw ko lang.
Proud sila mag-umar.
goods. Ilang pirasong cake to? 6? Ay, 5. 5 cake. Different flavor of cakes. May nakita kaming bukayan habang nagpapagkasi na Rita. Ay, mama, naku, the cute ng karilan. Ang ganda niya. So, may baso kaya sila? Ayaw kaya silang mabaso? Kita ako guys, pero I don't know if I can get it. Ayan, kaya ko pala. Cute. Ano kaya ito? I like this, so it's cute. Isa lang ito, madam. Maganda ito. Hindi ako sanay sa kilohan.
Bakit?
Kasi medyo matapang itong matcha, pero hindi ko na siya gumawa. I didn't get to vlog much on the last day. The electricity was out the whole day and we tried to escape the heat by going outside for a bit. But honestly, I love staying inside the house, just soaking in those last quiet moments of being home. There's something about being back here that slows everything down, like time gets softer. The short trip was exactly what my heart needed, a little reset before jumping back into real life again.